Hey guys, we have a breaking news. My favorite player, Johnny Gaudreau, passed away in a motorcycle crash and dead for drinking driving in a beer. He just passed away. He's drinking driving in a beer in a motorcycle and all this stuff. Johnny Gaudreau passed away. And that's why I'm a little bit sad now. I was very sorry with that. I'm very sad now. Just very sorry. I'm very sorry, guys. I love you. But the whole thing we're gonna do with Johnny. Johnny with the drugs, nice young man. It's a very sad day for Dutch. I know it is. The drug passed away. It very sucks. I know a motorcycle crash is terrible. This is a bit scary for Dutch and the motorcycle crash for Johnny Gaudreau. I still love you guys. I love you so much. I love you, Johnny. And rest in peace. Let's go on my YouTube. 384 subscribers. So go for no point. So close 400K. And give it that. Let's go on my YouTube. Rest in peace to Johnny Gaudreau. Rest in peace. I love you.